Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video I'm going to be using this Costco Organic Ground Beef, breaking it up into 4 equal portions. Each portion will be its own dinner, so there'll be 4 videos in this series. Series number 1 will be an Enchilada Stack, so come on with me in this video and let's get started. So first off, I'm going to be cutting this ground beef into 4 equal portions. And we'll be using one of these for our first meal. This first dinner recipe is called Enchilada Stack. So I went ahead and browned a 1/4 pound of hamburger, and I also have some homemade enchilada sauce all cooked here. I'll put the recipe in the description box below the video, but you can totally use canned or the McCormick enchilada mix. That's also really good. So we'll get started on the rest of the recipe right now. So the couple of the ingredients that you'll be using in this recipe is these cute little tortillas so that we can make individual servings. And hang on, I ahead of time cut up some little green peppers, and they're all finely diced, and some finely diced onion. Some refried beans, salsa, sour cream, sliced black olives, and some grated cheddar cheese, and some diced green chilies. Now I sprayed the bottom of this Pyrex dish, put some enchilada sauce on, and laid my first four corn tortillas. You can actually use flour also, but in today's recipe I'm using the corn. Now on the second layer, I put on refried beans, black olives, and green chilies. Now on this layer, I added some sour cream, some chopped green peppers, and a little more cheddar cheese. I went ahead, put another tortilla on, and realized I should have bought more tortillas. So, funny story, I just kind of added everything on this last one because I still have to top it one more time, add some sauce, and top it with cheese. Alrighty, this enchilada stack is going in the oven for about a half an hour to bake. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, comment enchilada in the comment section below the video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now stay tuned, because my next video I will be making dinner again using a 1/4 pound of the organic ground beef from Costco. So until next time, happy cooking.